I was thinking about it for years. It's just like when you go online, you can't really find any information about it that tells you about this. And obviously, you kind of go, oh, am I going to get a hair transplant or am I going to go for a system, right? I called, they told me what the program is, and I just said, screw it, and did it. I look younger with it, because I rocked being bald for a few years, and I just don't have the body type or the head structure to like rock it the way that I know other bald people can. So yeah, I don't know. Once I got it, I look like what I pictured before it. So I don't take it off. The only time I take it off is when it comes for maintenance. Well, usually it's not even, the big marker for me is my own hair outgrowing the system. And at that point, I can't style it the way I want to, so it's like coming in for a haircut. The maintenance, I go and get that by a professional, because I trust myself to do the front. I cannot see the back properly, so yeah. I don't think it's expensive enough to consider doing it myself when I know that somebody else can do better. I did call my mom with hair, so it was surprising to her. They're all very supportive of it, yeah. As I was talking to the lady here for the consultation, everything that she said, she didn't even have to really try to sell it. Just go for it. The biggest thing that held me back, and I know holds a lot of other people back who I talked to about this, is that there's just no information about this online, and you're always kind of just telling yourself, one day I'll try it and see if I like it. And if you just keep that mindset, you're never gonna try it. So just go and try it. Just do it, and then if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. The longer you wait for making that decision, the more you're gonna boil in that consideration. It's warmer, I guess I would say. It feels a little bit more like I'm getting a service rather than signing up for something that I can't get out of. It's kind of hard to explain. He asked questions, he answered my questions, I asked questions, and it was awesome.